Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, reverse shell attacks. Ever wondered how hackers can take control of computers remotely? Well, you are in for a treat. Did you know that over 60% of cyber attacks involve remote access tools? That's right. In a world where everything is connected, understanding reverse shell can give you insight into both the risks and the defenses against such attacks. So, buckle up as we uncover the secrets behind this intriguing hacker tool that can allow someone to remotely control any computer with just a few lines of code. What is a reverse shell? First off, let's break down what a reverse shell actually is. A reverse shell is a type of shell where the target computer connects back to the attacker's machine. This means that once the target is compromised, the attacker can send commands and gain access as if they were physically sitting at the computer. Think of it like this. Instead of a hacker trying to sneak into a locked room, they send an invitation and the door opens right up for them. How do reverse shells work? Now, you might be wondering, how do hackers actually set this up? The process usually starts with malicious software sent via emails or social media. When a user unknowingly clicks on a link, it detonates a script that allows the hacker to control the device. Let's take a quick look at some commands. For example, on Windows you can access the command prompt by typing cmd. Here you can interact with the system to gather information or execute commands. Typing commands in CMD and showing outputs. And if you are using Linux, just head to the terminal and use commands like pwd to print the working directory. It's all about communication with the system. Generating reverse shells. Creating a reverse shell is surprisingly easy. Let's jump into a tool called RAF Shell. This online generator helps create the necessary code to set up a reverse shell. You start by setting your IP address and the port number. This is where your machine listens for incoming connections. Then you choose a type of shell you want to create. It's as simple as filling out a form. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This knowledge should be used for ethical hacking and cybersecurity defense. Real-world application and defense. So, what can we do with this knowledge? By understanding how reverse shell attacks work, we can better defend our systems against them. Companies invest billions in cybersecurity, and knowing the techniques hackers use is crucial for building effective defenses. Here are some quick tips to secure your systems. Educate your team. Awareness is key. Use firewalls. Block unauthorized access. Regular updates. Keep your software patched. Monitor traffic. Watch for unusual activity. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of reverse shell attacks. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. Stay safe out there and we'll see you next time.